Gabriel had always been good at crunching numbers, so it was no surprise when he landed a job as a financial analyst at a major corporation. Within a few years, he had worked his way up to a senior position, overseeing the company's financial models and advising executives on strategic decisions. But Gabriel longed for more. He wanted to be at the forefront of the company, making the tough decisions and driving change. So when the position of CEO opened up, he threw his hat in the ring. Gabriel campaigned tirelessly, presenting his vision for the company's future and convincing the board of directors that he was the right man for the job. And finally, after months of waiting, he got the call. He was the new CEO. Excited but nervous, Gabriel settled into his new role. He spent countless hours poring over financial data, analyzing market trends, and developing new strategies for growth. And soon, his hard work began to pay off. Under Gabriel's leadership, the company's financial models became more accurate and sophisticated than ever before. With his guidance, the company expanded into new markets, invested in cutting-edge technology, and streamlined its operations for maximum efficiency. But Gabriel's success didn't come without its challenges. There were tough decisions to make, such as when he had to lay off employees to cut costs. And there were moments of doubt, when the market turned against the company and profits dipped. But through it all, Gabriel remained focused on his goal, to make the company a true industry leader. And he never lost sight of the value of his financial models, using them to make informed decisions that kept the company on track, even during difficult times. Years later, when Gabriel retired as CEO and looked back on his career, he knew that his dedication to financial models had made all the difference. And he was proud of the legacy he had built as a leader who used data-driven insights to achieve success.